Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word comfortable. Comfortable has 4 syllables. In British English, we pronounce it as comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. And in American English, we pronounce it as comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. Comfortable is a state of physical or mental ease and relaxation without any pain, discomfort, or stress. It can have various meanings, including physical comfort, like a soft chair or warm blanket, feeling secure, confident, or stress-free in a situation. The example sentences are: number 1, I feel comfortable with the decision we made. Number 2, the cat feels comfortable on the warm rug. Synonyms of comfortable are relaxed, pleasant, secure. The antonyms are painful, unpleasant, insecure. This word is an adjective. Common preposition used with the word comfortable is with, and the other prepositions are in and on. Thanks for watching.